Alrighty, so this is my day so far. It is, I think, 9 a.m. and I successfully took off the mid-pipe on my 2015 WRX. And I'm just gonna add this mid-pipe right here so I can at least take out most of the raspiness. And right now I have a 3-inch Nameless muffler deletes. As you can see, no muffler, no fucking huge mufflers, whatever. That came with stock. And yeah, I recently just bought this mid-pipe from a Facebook group, Subi group, from an STI. So as you can see, they're really identical. The only thing that's different is obviously, the huge resonator, which I want, because the end goal for me right now is to put a J-pipe on and to reduce most of the drone. So I was thinking about having this mid-pipe being installed with the J-pipe. I was like, you know what, might as well do it myself one of these days when I have the day off. And sure enough, it was pretty easy. So yeah, and I would say the installation process is not that bad. The only thing that was kind of really bad was getting the little hanger off of here, which this gets stuck on right here. It's not like the other ones where you get, it just doesn't want to go over this this little right here is just where it gets stuck. So basically I used a bunch of WD-40, which you can see right there, and also a little, I guess you can say, flathead, so it gives it enough clearance. But I'll show you what I mean in a second once I get this in here. But I don't feel safe with this camera next to a body of water, so yeah, I'll update it. Alright, as you can see, these are the Nameless muffler deletes. Damn, it's pretty dirty. Anyways, yep, so I just added it on right now. So it's hanging from the depths of hell. Fucking heavy, because obviously of the weight distribution. This is way heavier than this side, and so I had to be all the way up here so I could put my chest on it so I could rest. And so what I mean was, see how this gets caught? You can't easily just pull this off. So what I used was like something really skinny, like this, one of my dad's tools for like cement work, and just enough so I could at least give it a little bit of room so it could wiggle out of. So just like a flathead or anything would do. And obviously just WD-40 this piece. Where is it? This piece right here. Just this. And obviously this over here. It helps a lot, trust me. And it doesn't matter how long it takes you, but Jesus, for the love of God, use WD-40, and it helps a lot. Anyways, now that it's on, just bolt it up and bolt these back on with the gaskets, and that's it. So it did take out a lot of the drone, so I'm kind of pretty glad about that actually. So yep. So if you have a 2015 or up WRX, obviously STIs already have the resonator and all that. That's why I got it. Mid-pipe.
You can actually see why, because look, this one for our WRXs, it only has 3 cats. Obviously the OEM catalytic converter, which is really restrictive, and the second one, which is like not even, it's not even, I don't even consider it a resonator, because look how small that thing is. But obviously now look at that. So yeah, I mean, I'm just trying to add this piece before I'm gonna obviously in the future gonna get a put the J pipe back on. And if you're wondering what kind of J pipe I have, is a Turbo XS catted J pipe. So yeah, it was too fucking loud, so that's the reason why I added that on. So yeah, and took out much of the drone, so much of the turbo noise with just the Nameless. So yeah, but anyways, now it should be nice and quiet and actually predatively sounds pretty good actually to me. But anyways, we'll see when we add that turbo J pipe. But anyways, I'm gonna put this back, and I can't do this one-handed, so see you guys later.